Claudia from RealFoodies.com/tastybits, and today I am at Kitchen on Fire in Berkeley, California, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a cilantro lime mayo that is super tasty. So this is a pretty simple and straightforward dish. We have mayonnaise, finely minced garlic, finely minced cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, and salt and pepper. If you have a little mini food processor at home, that works too. That makes it more of a green sauce, but this works perfectly. All right, so here we have our mayo. I already threw the finely minced garlic in there. You could probably mince it a little further if you wanted to, if you're a little OCD. Mix it up. And you're just gonna dump everything in there. There's no real order. That was cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, teensy bit of salt, some pepper, and a fine grate. You don't want big chunks of pepper in this smooth sauce. Basically, just mix it up till it's all together. It's not a terrible idea if you want to sort of like bruise your cilantro a little bit before you dice it, especially if you don't have a little food processor, because that releases the oils of the cilantro a little bit better into the mayonnaise. So delicious. So what's groovy about the cilantro mayo is you can make it ahead of time, and then anytime you're gonna grill some fish or some chicken or make a sandwich, you can just pull it out and slap it on.